and fasten the locking clips on the outer packaging box. Remove the cover from the packaging box. Take out the accessories. Remove the outer packaging box. Remove the packaging bag. And fasten the straps and remove the water suction plate. Remove the machine. Take out the key and insert it into the machine. And plug the two connecting hoses from the dirty water tank. Remove the dirty water tank. Install the battery connection cable. Connect the red end of the cable to the positive pole of the battery. Connect the black end of the cable to the negative pole of the battery. When tightening the bolts, ensure that the tools do not touch the positive and negative poles at the same time to prevent damage to the battery. After tightening the bolts, install the protective cover on the bolts. Install the dirty water tank. Install the two connecting hoses on the dirty water tank. Press the foot pedal to raise the brush plate cover. Install the brush plate, remove the brush plate, and place it under the center of the brush plate cover. Release the foot pedal to lower the brush plate cover. Rotate the brush plate manually to ensure it is properly positioned. Turn on the key switch. Press the brush plate button switch. The brush plate will automatically install. To remove the brush plate, press the foot pedal to raise the brush plate cover. Hold the brush plate with both hands and rotate it counterclockwise to remove it. Installation steps for the cleaning pad are the same as for the brush plate. Install the water suction plate. Lift the water suction plate handle manually. Note: if the water suction plate handle is already lifted, skip this step. Loosen the two circular handles on the water suction plate. Lift the two circular handles along with the two flat washers and install them on the water suction plate fixing frame. Tighten the two circular handles. Insert the wastewater hose into the water suction plate connector. Lower the water suction plate handle manually, and the water suction plate will drop down. Open the clean water tank cover. Add clean water or water plus detergent. Machine button and operation instructions. Turn on the key switch. Vacuum button switch. Brush plate button switch. Water up button switch. Forward D button switch. Speed control knob clockwise rotation. The machine will move forward. Machine backward operation instructions. Press the foot pedal to raise the brush plate cover. Manually lift the water suction plate handle. Open the backward R button switch. Speed control knob clockwise rotation. The machine will move backward. Display of cleaning results. Demonstration of machine charging. Before charging the machine, turn off the key switch. Insert the machine and plug first. Then insert the power and plug into the socket. The machine starts charging. After the machine is fully charged, and plug the charger from the machine.